Welcome, 365 days. You can call me. His nickname is 365 days.
And good evening, everyone. My name is Ian, and I am a senior student, and my major is computer science and information engineering. I got to be one of the members of the Toastmasters. And tonight it's my first time to present my first C1 speech, and the topic is the hobbies. And the first hobby is tea. I like to drink tea, and tonight I will tell you how to make a good cup of tea. And first, you must have a teapot and the tea leaf. First, you have to put your tea leaf in the teapot and use the hot water put in your teapot and wait about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you will get a cup of tea, and the tea is very delicious. I very like it. And if you want to have a more heavy tea flavors, you need to wait for about 5 minutes or more longer. And my friend tell me, if you like to drink tea, you can try this tea. The tea is Chinese. The Chinese have a lot of different black tea, and I have all of the kind of the tea. And I will introduce the 4 tea to you. The first one is the blue one. The blue one is the brown tea tastes very soft, and if you drink the tea, you will smell the lemon flavors. And the yellow one tea have some bergamot. The bergamot is something like the lemon, but it will have some special flavor. I don't know how to spell it. You can try this. And the third one, the red one, is English breakfast tea. So if you want to drink the tea, this tea is suitable for the breakfast. You can have a breakfast and drink the tea. And the final one is the Darjeeling tea. Darjeeling tea means this tea is very easy to find. You can find the tea in juice bar or the usher in our schools. Okay. And can I ask a question? Does anyone want to have a cup of tea with me after dinner? How about you?
I hope you ask a girl.
Me.
Get out of the cabinet.
Okay. And the second hobby is photograph. I like to take photos, and this is digital camera, and tonight I want to tell you how to take a good picture like this. First, you have to find a good place to take the picture. And in this picture, this place is in Shangshan. Okay. And the second, you must to set up your camera just like this one in our RS table. This one, you have to use a tripod and set up your camera on this to prevent the shake. And then you let her 2 parameters on the camera you have to set it. The first one is the ISO value. What is ISO value mean? ISO value means the sensitivity of the camera to capture the light. If the ISO value is very high, your camera will get a very bright pictures, but with a lot of noise. We want to have a good picture, so we want to reduce the noises, or the ISO value will not be very high. We must cut it down and be very small. And so because the ISO value is very small, so the picture will be very dark. So the second parameter is exposure time. You must to increase the exposure time, so the picture can be more brighter. Okay. And then the final, you just put the button to take the picture and just wait 1 minute, and you can get a beautiful thing. just like the picture is a firework. The next year, I go to 101 building to take pictures. And final, the hobby is motorcycle. I like to ride in a motorcycle, and in spring break this month, I with my friend and we go to and we go to walk around the Taiwan island and go to every cities. And Ben is one of them. I remember that. Okay. But after this, my motorcycle has something wrong, so I take it to find an engineer to fix it. Okay. That was my talk,